A warm welcome to Insect Lab. In this video, we are discussing about the diploma in aquaculture. In this one, you can see the program type. This is a diploma course. Mode is also given here, which is open distance learning. Open distance learning means that you can study at your home. No need to go anywhere. No present or absent are are needed for this course, so you can do you need to go for just for exams at the exam centers. The duration is 1 year. You have to spend 1 year in this course. Medium is English. Specialization is aquaculture. Eligibility is 12th pass. If you are 12th pass, you can go for this course. Fee structure is 7800 rupees and 300 is the registration fees. And the course details means that these are the compulsory subjects, so you need to uh, go for it. And optional courses are these are the one and two, so you can choose only one from these two courses. So freshwater aquaculture and the coastal aquaculture. And last one is the regional and the study center details also given here. If you have other queries except these details, so you can contact us anytime. We provide all type of information at your WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.